Asuntoskeittiö Kerttulin kallio.
This is one really bad generic, but it's one because they have 3 here. Also in the stakes is the D&D, it's on Kerttulin. Yeah, it was got 3 to 7. But we're not going to film the stakes of D&D, of course. It was replaced, or no, added in 2012. The number is 111018F 5 fours. Best D6 per 4 and 90 grams. That's pretty known standard.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected later next year, 2023. And it's rope hydraulic. It's in an F shaft.
Yeah.
But it's too boring.
Mm.
I think I passed one. Keep it open. There's even an attic, but it doesn't go up there.
Yeah.
Even the hurricane is the hydraulics. Yes. And the old garbage shaft is still there.
Yeah.
But there was no elevator here before, of course.
Yeah.
There should have been built here. I think, but it was also built in 1959.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was finished in late 1959.
Yeah.
Or even 60, but 59 was ABC.
Yeah. It's built by Kivines, but maintained by Amslift.
Yeah, it's horrible. But it's one exception.
Yeah.
That's it. The doors are closing, that's it.
That's it.